Okay, folks, what we got today is this miter peel glue system. This is the accelerator here. This is the glue here. Comes with extra applicator ball. They suggest you pour some into that and use it out of that. It comes with numerous, well, we've got 2, 4, 6 tips with extra fine tips on them. So we're going to try this out and see how well it works. And of course, it's closed there. And if I'm not mistaken, there's nothing under here. Yep, it's open under here. So we just need to make a small cut. We don't use a lot. And they give you plenty of instructions on what to do. So we're going to cut that. Oh, there comes the glue. Okay, so that'll work for that. Make sure Stylus the cat doesn't come up here and get itself glued to something. Okay, so let's try this right here. I'm going to glue that like that right there. So I'm going to put just a little bit of this on here. No more than that. I'm going to take that. Press it together like that. Get my bottom lined up, top lined up. What you're getting is real time. So I pressed after that. It held that. I don't know how long, but that's probably long enough for me to take a nail gun and tap in that a couple of times. This piece here is going to go here. So we'll go ahead and put a little, this super glue on there. Slide that right down there in place. And there you go. That piece is glued on there. Give it just a second to adhere. I didn't spray the accelerator on that, so, and it doesn't seem to be sticking well on this side here. Maybe it's not flat enough, I don't know. Pretty flat surface though. We'll do a little bit of this. Woo! All over my hand. Cold. Put that in there like that. Hey, that works with the accelerator. Hey, pretty good stuff there. I'm going to cap this back off. And there we go. So, you see it's holding together? Yeah. And I think we're going to be fine right there. It looks like a good product to me. We'll test it further. Y'all give it a shot. Give it a look. See how you like it. Hey, y'all have a God bless day. Okay, going to take one more look at this glue thing here. Because y'all saw me glue it. I glued it in the wrong place. It's supposed to have been out here. So what I'm curious about is, I broke right loose. How about that? So it holds it good enough to give you time to get nails in it, but it's not your permanent, okay? Just know that. But it is good for holding temporarily, at least in my opinion. I like what it did. I like that it broke loose now. I can sand that glue off there and fix that. Hey, y'all have a blessed day. There we go. How about that? Huh? That's making me rock there. Oh, the nail must come through. There he is. Made me rock. I'll have to fix that. Not too big a deal, not too big a problem. Didn't get my aim quite right, did I? All right, full disclosure. I clipped that off, hit it with a file, and it's off the nail now, so we're very good to go right there. So, y'all take a look at that.